Hello everyone. Today's topic is Anga Pratyanga Vibhaga. It is the third topic of Sharirupakarmanya Sharira. In previous lecture we have seen about Shadangatvam. So further we will see about Anga Pratyanga Vibhaga. So already we know what are the Shadangatvam, that is Urdhva Shaka, Adho Shaka, Shivagriva and Madhyamanga. So here, that was the main division, or we can call it division. Divided human body into six region, that is upper limb to lower limb, head, neck, and trunk. So further, more class subdivision, we can call it as Anga Pratyanga Vibhaga. So here, Anga Pratyanga word, it is divided into two parts, that is Anga and Pratyanga. Here Anga we have already learned, that is do bahu, do saptini, shirogriva, antaradi. That is to upper limb to lower limb, head, neck and trunk. This is according to Charaka, and according to Shushruta, Urdhva Shaka means to upper limb, Adho Shaka means to lower limb, Madhyamanga means trunk, and Shirogriva, that is head and neck. In this lecture, we will see about Pratyangas, that is further subdivision. See about Pratyanga according to Acharya Shushruta. So he told that Pratyanga that are 1 in number, Pratyanga that are 2 in number, and Pratyanga that are 20 in number. So here name of Pratyanga and their number is only 1. Means example, Mastak, that is head is only 1. Udara, that is abdomen, that are it is 1 in number. Prushta, that is back, 1 in number. Nabhi, that is umbilicus, 1 in number. Lalata, that is forehead. Nasa, nose. Chibuka, that is chin. Basti, that is urinary bladder. Griva, that is neck. So all these are pratyangas. They are 1 in number. Their number is only 1. Here pratyanga name and their number is 2. Example, Karna. Karna means ear. So they are 2 in number. Netra, that is eyes. They are 2 in number. Bhru, that is eyebrow. Shankha, that is temple. Amsa, that is shoulder. Ganda, that is cheek. Kaksha, that is armpit. Stana, that is breast. Vrushana, that is testis. Parshva, that is lateral region. Spika, that is gluteal region. Janu, that is knee region. Bahu, that is arm. Uru, that is thigh. This part is continuation of this one. That is they are 2 in number. And this one is pratyanga that are 20 in number, that are anguli. Anguli, that are fingers. Finger of hand and finger of legs, that are toes. They are 20 in number. So here we will see about pratyangas according to Acharya Charaka. So Janga Pindaka, that is calf region, they are 2 in number. क्या बोला है? जंघा पिंडक, that is calf region, that are 2 in number. Urupindaka, that is thigh region, they are 2 in number. Speaker, that is gluteal region, they are also 2 in number. Vrushana, that is testes, 2 in number. Shefa, that is penis, 1 in number. Ukha, groin region, 2 in number. Vakshana, inguinal region, 1 in number. Kukundara, hip region, 2 in number. Basti Shirsha, urinary bladder, upper end. Basti means urinary bladder, Shirsha, upper end, 1 in number. Udara, abdomen, 1 in number. Stana, breast, 2 in number. Chibuka, chin, we have seen earlier, 2 in number. Oshta, lips, 2 in number. Dantaveshtaka, gums, 2 in number. Talu, that is palate, 1 in number. Galashundika, part that is in throat region, 1 in number. Upajivika, above the tongue, and Gojivika. Now that is Ganda, cheek, 2 in number. Karnashushkali, that is outer part of the ear, 2 in number. Karnaputraka, that is earlobe, this part, 2 in number. Akshikuta, that is eye socket, 2 in number. Akshivartma, that is eyelid, 2 in number. Akshikaninika, inner and outer canthus in eyes. They are 2 in number. You will get to learn about this in Shalakya Tantra. Avatu, that is back of the neck, and Talarade, that is sole of the foot, 4 in number. So these are the Anga Pratyanga Vibhaga according to Acharya Charaka and Acharya Shushruta. Anga, that are subdivision of the human body, and Pratyanga, Anga, that is division of the human body or Sharira, and Anga Pratyanga means further subdivision. So this is about Anga Pratyanga Vibhaga according to Acharya and according to Shushruta. Thank you.